Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your barbecue pork chops. Alright? Yeah man, as you can see, we wash our pork chops already. Get it clean up. And now I'm going to show you how to make your best barbecue pork chops. So stay tuned while I show you how to make barbecue pork chops.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Alright, so welcome back. Alright, there we have our pork already cleaned up and ready. Our pork chops already cleaned up and ready. So now we're going to show you the type of season that we use in this pork chops. Alright, so let's check out the season. So here we have some all-purpose season, natural season. We have some soya sauce. We have some crushed pimento seed there. We have some paprika. We have some basil. We have some black pepper and also some crushed garlic. Alright. We also have some we're gonna place the garlic on it first. Yeah, because you know garlic tenderize your chicken and make your pork saying chicken. Add some half teaspoon black pepper. Right. After that we're gonna add our pimento seeds. Half teaspoon of the pimento seed with half teaspoon of the basil. Alright. So we add our pimento seed. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon paprika. Good. Now paprika give it a nice taste, yeah? Nice flavor. Alright. That's our pimento seed now we added in. Yes. We're gonna add some all-purpose. That's our all-purpose. We're gonna add some all-purpose to it. We're gonna add half teaspoon all-purpose. Yeah, this all-purpose really tastes nice. So let's add half teaspoon of it. All right. We have some chili powder. We're gonna add some chili powder, half teaspoon chili powder with some taco spice. Same thing, half chili powder, half taco spice with it too. Right. After we add that, we're adding in some of our ground season. Adding in half of the ground season. That we have, the ground season is the one that have been most of the salt. So when you add your ground season, you don't have to add any salt to your meat. Yeah, that have been like different spices like the garlic, the ginger, and all those things. So you make your meat taste properly. Alright, that's our soya sauce. We're using a spoon of soya sauce with it. Yeah. And after we add our soya sauce, we're gonna rub in our pork chops. Alright, ensure that we rub in the season in our pork chops. Let the season soak into our pork chops. Rub it in nicely. Then we're gonna cover it and then we're gonna put it to marinate for about 2 hours the least. And then we come back and cook our pork. Alright? Alright, so our pork has been marinated for the last 2.5 hours. to ensure that our season is properly seasoned, soaked into the pork. So over here we have one of our file tin. We also have a piece of aluminum foil inside there and a piece of wax paper. All right, we're gonna place our pork nicely into the bottom of our file paper area. Let's start place it. So we're going to ensure that we don't overcrowd the areas. So we're going to place our pork nicely. Alright, put one piece there, put another piece in the middle. Alright, and then we're going to put another piece over on this side. Yeah, to ensure that we're not going to overcrowd it. Another piece, good. Yeah, let me see if I can put piece by the top there. Alright, remember we're doing barbecue pork chops. Alright, so we're going to cover that nicely, wrap it, and then we're going to put a piece more foil on the top to ensure that we don't let out the steam, and then we're going to put it in the oven to cook for about an hour and a half because we want our pork to taste tender and nice. Alright, so now we're going to place our tray into the oven with our pork. Alright, we have on our stove or oven on medium heat. Alright, so we're going to leave that to cook for an hour and 45 minutes and then we check it back. Alright, so we're going to make a quick barbecue sauce for our pork chop. So we're adding 2 ounces of butter. Good. This is a quick sauce to garnish our pork chops in the oven. Alright, quick one. Gonna add 4 teaspoons of ketchup. Gonna add our original barbecue sauce. This is our original barbecue sauce. Let's add some every day. Right. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce. Right, about 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Right. Then we stir nicely. So nice, right? Gonna leave that to simmer down for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna remove our pork chop from the oven now. All right, so we remove our pork chop from the oven. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at it, looks so nice. So we're gonna remove the file paper and leave it in the tin with the juice and everything. Remove that, and we're going to place it back into the oven. We're going to add leave it like that, and then we're going to add the sauce to it. So here we have our sauce. We're going to nicely pour it in it a little bit like that. Good. Look at it now. And then we're going to put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Just like that. 10 minutes in the oven. Alright, so we remove our pork chop out of the oven. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. I'm going to serve this up with some nice gungo peas rice today. Bajan call it pigeon peas. Alright, look at our pork chop. Look at how gorgeous it is, eh? Ready to serve. Tender, nice. Alright? So we're going to serve this up with some gungo peas. There you have it, guys. Our barbecue pork chops served with pigeon peas rice and coleslaw we have over there, alright? I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show. Hope you continue watch. Remember to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Fitzroy Needham. And follow me on Facebook, Fitzroy Needham. Alright? So this is what we eating today Sunday here. Alright? So stay safe. Love you guys. I'm
Spread your wings.